What's up, guys? My name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. Today is a special video, some behind the scenes footage from Chicago Auto Pros. So guys, we have Jason Otterness and Matt from Beads Racks, and Jason from Chicago Auto Pros is here filming. So what are we filming? Well, we're talking about mobile detailing. Out of trailers, out of vans, the setups, the equipment. And we also have something very special. The Gtechniq van is here, and Eric from Gtechniq is also here. And we're gonna be doing a custom build in that van. So stay tuned, this is gonna be cool. We're gonna show you some behind the scenes footage, and the entire video, possibly 2 parts, is gonna be on the Chicago Auto Pros channel. So go over there, I'll have links down below or in the card, and you can check out that channel. Look forward to that video. It will be coming out soon, if not already, depending on when I publish this video. And you'll be able to see all of the behind the scenes action. And Tony and I, Tony from Miranda Details, are here, of course, and he's building out the Gtechniq van. So cool. Wait until you've seen what he has done to the Gtechniq van. Awesome. We want to help you guys who are starting a mobile detailing business. What equipment do you need? And even some of the finer points, like all the different connections that you need. Sometimes we don't think about that until we get into it. Pressure washer connections, air hose connections, even your electrical connections for your generator. You know, what do you need to start your mobile detailing business? And also some of the luxuries, some of the cool things that you can build into your system to make things very efficient and also enjoyable to use. So let's check it out. Bye, pressure washer. You've served me well for many years. We got lots of stuff going on. We have the Gtechniq van in here for some custom work on the inside for a mobile detailing setup. We got Jason from Chicago Auto Pros here visiting us. We also have Tony Ralda and Matt from Beads Racks. So we're doing a lot of awesome custom work here on our trailer. We got some custom work on Tony's trailer that we might be doing later, and the Gtechniq van in there as well. Lots of stuff going on. So check out Tony's channel, our channel, and Chicago Auto Pros. They're gonna be doing a 2-part video on all of this stuff. So mobile detailers, stay tuned. Lots of information for you guys. Man. All right, so we're installing the AR Blue. Tony's gonna wire things up for me here because this cord is way too long. We don't need all of that.
Yeah, this is long.
Yeah.
The way to cut this, just whatever you know length you need, just grab it, cut it, right? And then you have to hire an electrician to do it. That's it. Simple as that.
It's gonna take me a while to get used to answer the phone. Off the trees. Yep. Was it a real small one? Yeah.
Okay, guys, look at this setup. Oh, it's coming together beautifully. A few more things to do to get it running smoothly, but thanks to Tony, this guy's been working hard getting all this stuff together. Amazing. Yeah, so he had to take all that apart like you saw to get the wiring correct. So we're gonna streamline the wiring here. But man, such a nice smooth system. Very, very happy with it. Awesome. So we have a bunch of stuff over there also to go check out. We got Eric here from Gtechniq. So we're gonna go see his reaction to the build that Tony made in the van. Let's go check that out.
He got the black diamond plate.
Oh yeah.
Look at this, Tony.
2.7 inches. Okay. Here.
I agree.
And the tent fits and the spare tire fits.
Correct.
And we got some work to do still. What did you do over here? Look at you, man. You gotta have the 32-inch show TV, Jason. You know, you can't leave home without it. Yeah, this is killer. Look at you. And it'll fit.
Get on with it already.
I warned you, this is why I stopped doing PPF. I can't get it started.
You have like 3 cameras on you.
Get out of there.
So nice.
Particular about it a little bit.
You now have a small logo down the bottom. You should pull those. Yep.
Last but not least.
And last but not least, this is straight from my shop.
Miranda
That
Detailing.
sounds pretty good.
Tony, get over here. What happened to our tools? I'll get the on.
All right, Tony. I guess we had to switch out that smaller slide out, huh?
Yeah.
We had to get a bigger generator because that small one just would not fit. It wouldn't run the pressure washer. So this is actually a really good fit. This is one that we had using as kind of a display, but it really works in here. He had to do a little bit of modifying of things and grind things down, but he'll get it to work. And now it'll run this thing, the Predator 3500 inverter. That will be much nicer to run everything that is needed. Oh, delicious.
Why you don't leave a cup outside
drink it.
without a lid.
Drink it. The plumbing is going in already. Generator is in on the slide out. And Tony's working on the pressure washer pump right there. He's having to take things apart because this cord is too long. So we shortened it up to just a few feet, maybe 3, maybe 4 feet or so. Actually, it's going to be longer than that because it needs to go all the way back here to the front where the pressure washer is. So it'll most likely go above or to the side. So Tony wires that up and gets that to the dedicated outlet. But he's got to take it all apart to shorten that cord up. So lots of stuff going on. And we got Jason and Eric here working on the back of the van, putting up the beads racks. Looking really nice. Everything's centered up. Looking awesome.
I'm just here for moral support.
For more support. Good job. Good job.
You're doing great.
Tony's really doing most of the work, actually. He's doing all the heavy lifting. Okay, guys, so we're going to be finishing up here. So there's still a few little things to do in the van that may actually happen later on, but about 95% of this build is done. So Tony really worked hard getting this thing together. Not only did he spend about 2 weeks building the actual frame and setup inside, but the past 2 days he was also hooking everything up. There's a lot of other little things like the plumbing and the electrical and hooking up of all of those little bits in there to make everything work and look really, really nice. Stay tuned to his channel, Jason from Chicago Auto Pros, and Tony's. We will be featuring a lot of behind the scenes action, but Jason's videos are going to be the ones where it's the entire build and you'll be able to see all the ins and outs. Who's that guy right there? So we'll show you as we're finishing up here. Check out the back area of the build. Look at that. Beautiful.
That is sexy.
It is. Oh. And we got the RD, Ralda's Details logo right up there, really showing off his build. The beads racks looking so nice. So they hold everything you need here. Now, a lot of this is for show for Gtechniq. However, if you are a mobile detailer and you want, well, if you want to set up like this, you can go ahead and build one. But of course, you're going to want other things utilized in here, like an air compressor, a steamer, and so on. But Tony can build that for you. So his contact information down below if you want something custom built for your van, truck, or trailer. So let's look at the side as well. We're just doing some of the final wiring here and plumbing. And here's the slide out for the Predator generator. And we're just doing some of the final wiring here to tidy things up and make things look nice. But it's on its way. Okay, guys, so it has been a great 2 days hanging out with the guys here customizing the Gtechniq van. So huge thanks to Jason from Chicago Auto Pros, Eric from Gtechniq, Tony from Ralda's Details, and Matt from Beads Racks for coming together for this awesome build out. So stay tuned to the channels, to our channel on YouTube, Tony's channel, Chicago Auto Pros. Oh yeah. And you will be able to see this build out, all the behind the scenes action as well. And hopefully you'll see this on the road as well. So it will be touring all over the place this weekend and for the next couple of weeks and months all over the place. So stay tuned, guys.
I mean, there's nowhere else we're gonna put it.
So that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great week.